Hello everybody, it's Sonya. Now I'm back here just to show you a bit more of this. I'm going to do another French knot. Okay, just for those of you that want to have another look. So hang on to it. You don't have to pull it too tight, but just depends, I suppose. If you got it in the hoop, you know, you're right, you can do what you can have it a little bit tight, but you want to wrap down round twice and push that back down near where you come out the first one, and there's your little knot. Okay, now a lot of people have done, I did a poodle once, was all knots. It was fun, you know, made a poodle. I used to do a lot of three-dimensional stuff, and anyway, now that's good, that's done. I'm going to now show you, because I've only showed you just a couple of, let's do a bit more ribbon, hey? Let's do something else with a bit more ribbon. Because we didn't do a lot of ribbon. I'm going to try, oh no, there's nowhere to put this really, is there? It's too big. Let me see, what else have I got? Do I want to do a bit of ribbon? Yes, I do. But what colour? So I should probably say that down. I'll make a so when you're doing something, actually I do want to put one there, don't I? Another one of those. And I'll do it with a piece of embroidery ribbon, but I mean satin. Silk, actually organza might look nice, but I seem to be able to do the wrong colour. I keep putting the wrong colours on it. How about this? That's pretty, isn't it? Let's use a bit of organza and see if we can't make another flower. Or if we can make one, it'd be better than can't. Okay, so I've still got this threaded on here, this piece, because I can still use that tiny piece. I just want to show you how this will work. It looks like. And that's a good solid needle I've got there to do this with. Okay. I think that whatever this thing I had about a month ago is still affecting me. It's not sort of got better yet. It's really weird. Actually, I'd like to put some, I'm going to put some little beads up along there. So I might put, what sort of flower can I do? I might just do one of these, like I just did, I think. I'll just put one of these, and you just go back and down through there. Don't pull it all the way through. When I say all the way through, the more you pull that down, the more this will disappear. You know, you'll have less there because that'll go inside to the back. So make sure you've got your piece laying down flat there. Lift it up a tiny bit. Lift it up a tiny bit so it's... If anybody needs this explained a bit better or something, I can try and help you, but if you can't sort of work it out, just re-watch me. I can, it'll come to you. I find sometimes you've got to have a bit of practice on some things, but I do not want to go too close to the side because I still have a row of stitching that I have to put in over there. See, now as I pull this down, that will go down there. Be good if I was working under the camera, wouldn't it? Now another one. Just come up, watch what I'm doing around the back here, so that I don't stick it through the. I've got it all turned around. Just unspin it. Just unspin it. Now this is going to be a little bit off what I've got here. I'll pull that down just a bit further. I'm going to go and I'm going to put another petal in here maybe. So I've got to sort of manoeuvre down into here, find where I can get through. So I'll go up here near the centre, make sure I don't have anything else. I keep getting, it keeps coming out. Come on, just go in there. Righto. No, over this way a bit. There we go. Is that right? Yep. Make sure I haven't got hold of the other ribbon because it'll all pull through and I'll have a disaster on my hands. And I won't be happy at all about that. Okay, there's one of those flowers. Do you think I should put another petal over there? I'm going to. It doesn't matter if it's got 6, does it? I don't think Mother Nature's going to worry too much today. I think it'll look better if it's a bit fuller. You know, because I think there we go. That's better, isn't it? Look at that. There. And it comes up nice and fluffy because I didn't take it right over to the side. Anyway, you've seen what I did. I don't pull it straight out, stretch like I did that one. And it made a little bit of a puffiness on it. Now, I'm going to put on some beads, and I want some nice coloured beads, and I don't know what I've got here. I've collected up a lot of stuff in this box here this morning because I wanted to be able to find what I was doing. Got white ones there, but you can't see them very plainly. Here we go, there's some in here. Green. No, I don't know about green centre on that. That's not going to work, is it, really? The yellow one will. Yellow centre will look good. Yellow's usually what they have, don't they? This is a tiny, tiny needle. Not a bead one, so I won't use it. Nothing worse than thinking that you're going to get the bead through the hole and it just does not go. There's nothing worse, believe you me. You get all there and you're nearly done and it's just not fitting. So best to start out with a bead needle. It is. Poor old hands getting a bit chilly here. Okay, now got a few more minutes to add a few beads. Oh well, before it's my time for me to go out and have my lunch. Now I'm going to come up through here in the centre. I'm not really concerned about whether that went through the ribbon or not because it's this skinny little needle. I don't think it's going to do much harm. I hope not anyway. So I've got one yellow bead. Put that in there. And I might put 3 on, hey? Now we've got heaps more stitches to go. I think we're going to need a bit bigger piece of thing for you to work on. Where's my needle? Oh, here it is. I think we're going to need a little bit bigger because it's not going to be... Oh, I hope you can see this. I'm going to be really upset. I don't know what's the matter with me, why I can't get the angle of this thing right. Remember yesterday I looked at the video and I thought, why am I keep disappearing out of the shot? But then I'd come back when the important bits come on, I suppose, when I was actually showing you what to do. Okay, now I'm not a big fan of this blue because it doesn't have a very big, like, it's a bit not blue enough, okay? But I will fix that, don't you worry. I'll come back and do something with that after. Now, I wanted to keep going because I'm going to put some beads up along here on the top of each one of these. When I say each one of these, the feather stitch. I'm going to put some green ones, I think, along there. Here's one green bead, and I'll just come up through there, thread it through your bead, and put it back down through that. Now I know that that's very close and that, but you need to. I've got a bit of fluff or something on there. You need to have it all in there. You don't want to be missing any pieces. You don't want to be missing any bits that you want to put on. You want to keep. Oh, what have I got caught? There's a bit of fluff getting stuck on there. I hope he's not worrying about whether I was coming out here or not. I'll be there in a minute, dear. You'll be out there a fair bit walking around. I had a little dish with a few little beads sitting in the top of it. What have I done with that? Oh, here it is. I don't think I've got green, have I? Yeah, here's a green one. Make sure you threw to the top before you put the bead on, because the bead will go on the wrong way, won't it? I think crazy patchwork is just like a way of making fabric, isn't it? Making your own piece of fabric. Get a bead down there. Up through there. I think I'm collecting up a bit of fluff off different things because it happens, but you know, we can clean it off later. It's okay, nobody worry about that. Nobody panic. I'm catching it from the side, aren't I, really? So this is what we're doing. We're putting a bead on the top of our it's a green one, but that's okay because it could be anything. You know, flowers and things are all different colours and that, aren't they now? Well, they always were, but you know what I mean. We can do whatever colour we like, and all these squares or patches on here are all going to be filled in with something or other. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do different stitches or combinations of what we've already done anyway, and filling it all in so we can have a nice piece of work here. Okay. And you can either use it for your book or a little bag or whatever you want to do with it. So we're just going in here, picking up a bead and putting it on. Go back down. Don't pull it too tight. Keep that in your mind all the time, not to pull it too tight and just be, I don't know, just right. Just get it just right so it's not hanging off either. You don't want your bead to be shaking off there, you know, move it. You don't want it to fall off, alright? Now, I might get some really bright pink and put some things up the centre there, you know, like stamen things, whatever they're called. Stamens, yeah, in this yet, you never know. Because I don't want to leave it that colour, and I'm not going to pull that one out, I don't think. No, I won't, because it's it's a bit too hard to pull it out. So there we go. Now I don't know how long this will go on for, making this, but as long as you people want to keep watching me. And Diane sent me a picture of her piece of crazy patchwork today to my email, and I wanted to ask you, Diane, is it okay if I print it off and show when I come back on here one day, like whether I'll get it done for I'm back on here again, I don't know, but is it okay if I do that? Do you mind if I do that? Because she said I did say that people were welcome to send me, well, you are too, to see what you're doing, because she did a really nice piece, and I wanted to show everybody, you know. But there you go. So that's what we're going to do for today, I think. That might be enough. I don't know how long this one is going to go for. I don't think it's very long at all, but oh dear, I'm really cold. I need to go and have some food. And I had my heat on in here before, but I switched it off because it gets too noisy. Makes too much noise and you can't hear what I'm saying. Well, you can, but people get bothered by things like that. So, but anyway, so we're going to do more. So just, come back and we'll see what we'll do. We might turn this into lavender with doing our little dots yet. We don't know. We might turn that into lavender or something like that. And anyway, so I hope you enjoyed doing that, and I will be back on here as soon as I can, and we'll do a bit more. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.